Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spiders out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider Kennedy went up the spout again.
How does the spider climb?
Yeah, do it. Itsy bitsy spider.
Kennedy,
She wants to do.
something smells. What smells? Pew. Pew.
Yeah, and we're gonna feel self-conscious. She thinks it's her.
Cover your nose.
Oh, she wants to do this one. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Oh, get up, get up.